Hey, I'm Phil Jones from Valuation, and on today's Whiteboard Wednesday, I'm going to give you 3 ways to differentiate yourself and your agency on evaluation. Ways to differentiate your agency on evaluation. Number 1 is tangible marketing. Now, it's not tangible marketing about your agency, it's tangible marketing that you would use to sell their home. So they can sit there and picture exactly how your marketing would look for their home. They can feel it and touch it and look through it and read through it and start to imagine exactly how you're going to sell their home. As opposed to you telling them and promising them, which holds no weight. The previous agents or the agents they're going to go in after are going to tell them how you're going to market it, and you're going to show them, and showing holds a lot more weight and power than just telling. So that's the first thing. The second thing is having bold opinions. You should be going into the appointment as a consultant, and in that they're looking for advice. They're not just looking for you to go in there and tell them how much it's worth. If, let's say they've got 4 or 5 agents out there, how do you differentiate yourself? By going in there and saying what you're worth, and by saying that you offer amazing service. All the other agents have said exactly the same thing, so you're obviously not differentiating yourself. So one way to go in and point something out, or a strategy that's bold, probably something that they haven't thought about, and something that no other agent has discussed. For example, if there is land attached to the home, how else can you present that land? What happens if the person that comes to view loves the house but doesn't like the land? Have we thought about that? Is the market bigger for people that want the house without the land, or that want the house with the land? So let's not just put the home into an area only for people with horses, for example. Let's try and make it to the biggest market possible, and having a bold opinion that potentially the owner of the house bought it for horses, so they haven't thought through that process that potentially someone wouldn't want the land, especially if it's only a couple of acres. So have a bold opinion and back it up with facts and evidence and stats, and because if you can get them to change their mind on their assumptions beforehand, then there's only going to be one winner in terms of agent. Number 3 is fee. Now, I know this is a difficult one, and it's probably difficult to hear people talk about because it doesn't sound sensible or logical that if your fee's higher, it differentiates your ability. But try and think of it as a car. I hope if you are into cars, this would help. If not, it probably doesn't, but you can use whatever you want, handbags or jewellery or shoes, whatever you want. If I said to you there's going to be a £5,000 car or a £30,000 car, which car's more reliable, which car's faster, which car's more comfortable? And that exactly is the same with your experience. If you're charging 1% or 2%, you'll be known as an expensive agent, and you'll be known as a quality agent, and you'll be known as an agent that offers amazing experience. And that's what the thought process is going for their head of the price, as opposed to being something really cheap. Because most people are aware that you get what you pay for, and if you pay cheap, you buy twice. So use fee, be confident with your fee, position yourself that if you've got an offering that you genuinely believe is above anyone else that you're competing against, then your price should be above anyone else. There is no such thing as cheapest and best. So that is the third thing. So let's go through them again really quickly. Number 1, tangible marketing. We use bespoke brochures. Make sure it's about yourself. Make sure it's about their home and their challenges and how you'd overcome what they want from an agent. It's nothing about you as an agent. Number 2 is bold opinions. Be confident in your ability to advise and to consult and have opinions. If it's going to be about the individual's house and style, make sure you ask to give advice first. People don't like advice that comes without permission. And number 3 is fee, and I'm sure you've had this drilled into you. Fee is a huge one when it comes to differentiating you, and as soon as you go up towards the higher value homes, you will not get a listing charging 0.5%. So charge what you're worth and use fee as a differentiator and be confident with it. And those are the 3 things that I would recommend that you do to differentiate on evaluation. If we can help you at Firewave, if we can help you get into those high value homes so you can get the chance to do these little tricks and tips and charge a higher fee, then you can visit www.fire-way.co.uk/start. If you fill in your agent's details on there, we only work with one agent per area, so your area may not be free, but if it is, we'll be on the phone to you straight away and we'll discuss exactly if and how we can possibly help you and get you through those more doors, get you through more doors that you deserve to be in. And hopefully we'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.